I'm coming around.
You coming back this way?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna come over to the top?
Now I'm gonna walk out. I'm gonna walk out to the bottom.
I think I see an episode of this on Dirtiest Jobs. Oh God, it's nasty. Ah. Oh yeah, I can feel the mud in my shoes. You see anything in there besides shit?
Yeah, it actually produced some pretty cool shit.
Yeah. In more ways than one.
All right. Okay. Let me take it down real quick. Now this.
What the? That was in there?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is
That's probably
a native bird. Let me kind of get this better. It's a native bird to Louisiana. All right.
That's kind of cool, Jay. I didn't think you'd find that in there. Something so white.
Egret. You want to call it an egret? You want to call it a crane? This is a juvenile. Small, very pretty. You want to hold the light? You can probably get a better picture with the light. But super cool bird. Find them all throughout southeast Louisiana. Is he cool or what, man? That right there, what it's all about. Check him out.
How does he stay so white?
Yeah, I'm not hurting them. I'm not doing nothing. He can do that. What they do is they walk through these waters. They got these long
Little beaks, huh? I see him when I'm driving to bring my kids to camp.
Look at how long his legs are. He
Wow.
walks through the water
Like a
with
big
those
twig.
legs and uses that long beak to pick up anything they got bad. Not bad.
Well, yeah, well, I mean, for them
anything
to
he can
eat. That beak's pretty long, too, huh?
Pretty cool, man. Pretty cool.
I would have never thought you'd have found that there.
Well.
I'm looking for alligators, snakes. You come out with a beautiful white bird.
Well, I tell you what, brother. Every day is like a new day. I think he might be a little sick. Just because.
Well, we probably don't want to touch him.
If not sick, he might be just.
He was probably sleeping and you woke him up.
Isn't that awesome? Tell you what, dude.
And he's so kind.
People ask me, oh, he just pooped on me.
Oh, that's
People
disgusting.
ask me why I do this constantly. Are you kidding me? If I didn't have a video camera or a flashlight, kind of showing what was going to happen, nobody would ever know that, man, for 5 minutes of my life, I got to actually hang out with this little creature. So, pretty cool. I'm going to put him down. He's probably going to fly away or do something fun. All right.
As long as he don't fly at me.
Or he's going to stay with me. I can't take you home. Trust me, I'd like to. I can't take you home.
Well, that's pretty cool,
I'm going to put
Jay.
you right back where you are. And I'm going to show you what else I got.
He kind of looks like a baby, huh?
Yeah. Oh, he's definitely a baby.
Well, not a baby in the sense of a hatchling, but he's pretty young, because the ones I've seen are usually kind of bigger than that.
All right, let's put him down. All right, you figure it out where you want to go and what you want to do. You figure that out.
It's probably not looking too good.
All right.
All right. Well, that's pretty cool, Bubba.
Let's put, yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah. Don't put him by me, Jason.
There it goes.
Goodbye, he flew away.
All right, now,